Meaning of first refusal.
First refusal.
First refusal.
First refusal.
First refusal. First refusal is a contractual right that gives a party the opportunity to purchase something before it can be sold to others. If the owner decides to sell the item, they must first offer it to the party with the first refusal right at the same price and under the same conditions of sale. The party with this right can choose to accept or decline the offer, but if they decline, the owner is free to sell to others. Essentially, it grants the party a priority position in the event of a sale.